Now we're making egg spread for egg sandwich. Now, hiniwalay na natin yung egg white sa egg yolk. Yan, dudurugin natin siya. Lalagay na rin natin yung mga ingredients like sugar, salt, pepper for the egg white, some olive oil, you can see. Then we're gonna add a little bit of all-purpose cream sa egg yolk. Halo-haloin natin yan. Then we're gonna add the mayonnaise too. Then i-combine na natin yung egg white sa egg yolk. And if you wanna add more mayonnaise for the consistency, that's okay. And then spread natin yung butter sa bread. Ayan. And then we're gonna add the filling or the egg spread. You can see it's really good for merienda or if you have bisita. It's really good po. Hindi po kayo mapapahiya. Thank you mga kapatid. Try it at home. Bye! Have a good day. See you on my next reel.